This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Joachim. Charming 3-halves rancher with a fully fenced yard and detached workshop in the Colonial Village neighborhood. This home was well cared for and has a huge master bath addition with tub and walk-in shower. Paint and carpet were recent upgrades to the main living area. Large den/bonus room off of the kitchen and an enclosed porch that takes you out to your covered parking. Detached workshop has garage door, electric and is ready for a heater. Easy drive to UTK/downtown and a short trip to Sevierville. For more information, review the details below or contact Joachim at 865-966-1111.